Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something absolutely delicious, fresh fish heads. I started off by cleaning the fish heads thoroughly. Once that was done, I moved on prepping my vegetables. So I'm using onions. You want to use a lot of them, so you slice them however you like depending on your preferred shape. Once that was done, I heated up my oil in a pan. Once it was hot enough, I added in the onions and to let them cook. Then came my favorite part, the spices. I added raja, absolutely love it. And then a bit of paprika. So the spices, it all depends according to your own taste. And then I added in black pepper. And don't forget a pinch of salt. After that was done, I added in my grated tomatoes to make a rich, flavorful soup base. Then when the tomatoes were nicely cooked, I mixed in a bit of Royco seasoning and I poured in a full cup of water. That's the broth I'll be using to cook the fish heads. So once the soup was ready, I carefully pressed the fish heads into the pot and then added in some chili for that extra kick, yeah. And then I let everything simmer for about an hour and 15 minutes, yeah. And just look at that, the fish came out perfectly tender, flavorful, and absolutely mouth watering. And that's it, simple, hearty, and so good. If you have watched this far and haven't followed me yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear how yours stands out. Until next time, it's a bye from me. And honestly, this was a 10 out of 10 dish.